A word problem using calendar dates might say, if today is Thursday, the 26th of August, which it actually is, what day of the week will the 24th of September be? Many children are advised to write quick calendars to solve these questions. Instead, we could just use 3 very quick, simple calculations to find that day of the week. To be able to solve these questions quickly, your child will need to know the order of the months of the year from January through to December, and they will also need to know the number of days in each month in the year, including February and when it has 28 and when it has 29 days. But if your child knows those facts really well already, then they are ready to use 3 simple calculations to solve word problems like these very quickly. The first 2 of the calculations will help us work out the number of days between both dates. So we're traveling from a date in August right through to a specific date in September. We just need to know how many days are in August. After all, we will not reach the end of September, but we will be traveling through the end of August. So August has 31 days, and that's what we start with. And we take away the date that we start on because we're starting at the 26th of August. And that will tell us how many days in August we're counting. So 31 take away 6 is 5. You take that 5, and then you add on the date in September that you're trying to reach. So 5 plus the 24 gives us 29. So there are 29 days between these 2 dates, and your child will know there are 7 days in a week, and there are 29 days here to be split into groups of 7. Now 29 does not divide by 7 evenly. It will leave a remainder, and it's the remainder we're looking for. So if we do 29 divided by 7, we will get 4 remainder 1, which really means there are 4 weeks and 1 day between these 2 dates. Now 4 weeks will just take us to another Thursday, so all we have to do is add on the remainder. So what we end up with is Thursday plus 1. And so we know the 24th of September will be a Friday. And so just to get you used to it so that you can pass on this information to your child, I'll give you 3 more examples. We're going to go from Monday the 10th of January and find out what day of the week the 15th of February will be. We need to know how many days are in January because we're passing through the end of January. So we start with 31, but we take away the 10 here because we're starting on the 10th. That will give us 21. We take our 21 and add on the number of days that we're reaching in February. Not all of February. We're stopping at the 15th. So 21 plus 15 gives us 36. There are 36 days between these 2 dates. We'll divide that by 7 and we'll get 5 remainder 1, which is 5 weeks plus 1 day. Again, we've got a remainder of 1. We just have to do Monday plus 1, and that date will be a Tuesday. If the 8th of May is a Wednesday, what day of the week will the 17th of June be? We're traveling through the end of May. May has 31 days. We will take off the 8 to give us 23. Then the 23 will add on with the 17 in June. We're reaching the 17th of June to give us 40. There are 40 days between these dates. Divide that by 7, you'll get 5, remainder 5. Now we have to add 5 days to Wednesday. That will bring us to a Monday. And finally, if the 12th of October is a Saturday, what day of the week will the 23rd of November be? October, again, 31 days. Take off our 12, we end up with 19. We add the 19 to a 23 this time, which gives us 42. And 42 can be divided by 7 perfectly, so be careful with this one. The answer will not be adding on 6 to Saturday. What we've learned is there's no remainder, so we're adding 0, which means the 23rd of November is also on a Saturday. For helpful calculation tips, why not try the Target Practice Workbook and Video series?